Here I'll be showing you what Smart Motion Detection, or SMD, is. It's offered by our Avalonix Premium Series cameras, and there's a certain advantage to using the Avalonix Premium Series because you can actually filter out motion events based on human or vehicle figures. And it's pretty neat. So this is our blog page at CCTV Camera World about what is SMD. We go into details about it. Here are some of the cameras that have SMD. You have to pair an Avalonix Premium Series SMD capable camera with an Avalonix Premium Series SMD capable NVR. Make sure you do that. Otherwise, you won't get the same benefits that I'm going to be showing you in this video as to what they can do. For my demonstration, I have this particular PTZ mounted outside our warehouse, pointed at our front parking lot, and let me show you what it can do. I'm going to go into the web interface of the NVR. This is one of the NVR416PAI. This is an AI-capable NVR, pretty high-end. I'm going to live view. I'm watching this without any plugins installed. I can pull up the camera, go into mainstream, and watch it. Now, this is a pretty busy parking lot sometimes, and we got a lot of different vehicles coming inside. So when I go to playback, I can go here on the top right, go to playback, and select the day. And you see green colored video here. What that is basically general 24/7 recorded video. And if I just click on it, there's a bunch of video. Imagine you got tons of video for a day's worth, and you're on a specific day, you want to see what triggered motion in a certain area, and then you want to even filter it with humans or vehicles. Just double click to expand this, and I'm going to now filter this video using what's called a quick search, and it lets me select either a human or vehicle form. So if I select human, notice that those green blocks of video got filtered down to just a few lines of blue. The cursor is actually flowing through the different video segments where people appeared in the video generally, and it's going to keep on playing through all the events. Same thing you can do for vehicles as well. You'll notice there are people walking on the sides of the video. These cameras are pretty good at noticing where people appeared. There's a person walking over there. That's why it picked up in this video as well. Now, let's say I wanted to look at motor vehicles. I go back to quick search. Instead of human, I do motor vehicle. And because this is a busy parking lot, it's going to pick up everything for motor vehicles in the whole screen, that it's in the whole field of view that it picks up, because I did not set specific areas for it to be looking for vehicles. I wanted to capture everything. Let's say you have the same situation going on where you're capturing all the vehicle activity, but then something happened and you want to know, let's say, for example, someone hit my car here. So to see who parked next to my vehicle, I can basically click here, exit out of that, click a draw rule, and I'm going to draw an area, and I will draw a pretty tight rectangle right here to see who came into this parking spot, and right click out when drawing is completed and hit search. So notice that all that video got filtered down to 3 orange lines, and that is the quick search draw rule, and it's pulling up video of those vehicles as they came and break this boundary that I created of a rectangle. So this will pull up a car that passes through that rectangle or goes full on and goes into that parking spot. And it shows me through that full 24 hours worth of video that you may have exactly what, either if you can do a filter like I just showed you, person or vehicle breaking that rule you just created. So it phenomenally reduces the amount of time you have to spend to find a motion event of interest in a specific area, as long as your camera is able to see clearly. If it's a human form or a vehicle form, you'll be able to get the same results. So make sure you're not trying to see a little teeny tiny human or a vehicle very far away, like something over there, or if it's cut off, of course it won't do that. It needs to be able to, the algorithm needs to be able to see a clear vehicle or human form. That's pretty much it. Now you can do this. I'm logged in through the web interface of the NVR on the local network. That's the best way to do it. And it's fast, it's quick. These things are really, really smart. Now, if you wanted to do it remotely, you may have to basically have some port forwarding rules set up to get into the web interface of the NVR. The PC and Mac software don't have this capability yet. You have to be logged in through the web interface, or you can walk up to the NVR itself. Hopefully you found this video useful.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.